Hello and welcome KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to change name Twitter app. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you shop on Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting an Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save all this money, click on Amazon Prime trial subscription link. You can find this link in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you how to change name Twitter app. We'll start by opening up your Twitter app. Then once you arrive on this main screen right here, look on the upper left hand corner where you're gonna see the three bars. On the upper left, we're gonna see the three bars all here in the upper left hand corner. So tap there, then you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Tap where it says profile, right there. So tap there, profile. Then once you arrive on this main screen, look where it says on the upper right hand corner where it says edit profile, right there. So just tap there, edit profile. Then look for it says name. Then you can change your name to whatever. So I'm gonna change my name to Bad Wheels. As you guys can see right there, once you change your name, make sure that you tap where it says save on the upper right hand corner where it says save right there. So tap there, tap on save, then your name gonna change up there. And that's how you change your name Twitter app. If you have like any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find in my video description. And thank you for watching.